Online marketing is the #1 source of customers worldwide. It's even bigger than TV. But 99% of independent business owners do not market online. Why? Because of all the complex systems needed to succeed. Let's go over a few of the systems that you would need in order to succeed in online marketing. First, you need a website, and you can grab a website from WordPress, Wix, or ClickFunnels. 2, you need to SEO that website or search engine optimize your website. 3, you need to advertise online, and you could do that through Facebook ads or Google ads. 4, you need to be marketing on social media, and you could do that in a place like Hootsuite. 5, you need to be blogging, and you could do that in a place like Blogger. 6, email marketing, and you could grab email marketing from MailChimp or Aweber. 7, you need a CRM or customer relationship management system that you can get from a place like Salesforce or HubSpot. 8, you need analytics, and of course you can use Google Analytics. So what makes online marketing highly complex is the fact that you need each and every one of these systems in order to succeed, and they all need to be integrated and speak with one another. Seems complicated, doesn't it? Not anymore. Why? Please allow us to introduce you to @𝗏𝘗𝗿𝗏, the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. Terabytes of data drive our proprietary algorithms with over 20,000 daily users in over 196 industries, 1.1 billion ads and social posts, 50 million clicks, 120,000 websites, and 3 million marketing activities daily. Our AI engine is getting smarter every day. Let's go over how simple it is to get started with 𝗏𝘗𝗿𝗏. In this video, we're going to show you how to get started with 𝗏𝘗𝗏𝗏, the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. Just click on Get Started and tell us a bit about your business. The name of your business, choose your industry and subcategory, and describe your business. Choose your font and brand color, and create your marketing campaign. We're now building your website, selecting your search keywords, designing your email newsletter, setting up your blog and analytics, building your social marketing, and now your marketing is done. You can choose how you'd like to get started and create your account. Put in your email, and phone number, address, choose your language, create your account password, and choose how you'd like to pay, credit card or PayPal. Your month and year, CVV, and accept and start marketing. Now your account is being created. This may take a few minutes, but you'll be dropped right into social marketing. Now your account setup is done. Your AI-powered marketing campaign is ready. And you could see our first suggested post. You can choose to post the suggested post. And I'm going to choose to post this on Facebook and click on Share. I can describe this article here in my post. And then click on Post to Facebook. We're going to check Facebook to make sure that it posted. And you can see that article posted right here. Now that that article is posted, going to go back into our account and answer the question. Have you succeeded with publishing your post? Yes. Your social marketing is done. Great. Would you like to add this content to your website's blog? Yes. Your blog is now done. Would you like to email this content to your followers? Yes. Your email is now done. And you have succeeded in creating an AI marketing campaign. You can check your landing pages here, and you can view that landing page by clicking on it. And you can see the blog right here as well. Go back into your account. You can also see your email campaigns. And if you want to view the template, click on Edit and Edit Newsletter Template, and you can find it right here. And this is how to get started with 𝗬𝘁, the first marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. So with 𝗬𝘁, your website is done, your SEO done, your online ads done, your social media marketing done, your blog done, your email marketing done, your CRM done, your analytics done. 𝗬𝘁, your marketing done. Do your thing, we'll do the marketing. You can see a few of our AI-powered landing pages right here. To your left, you can see a travel site that was built with the power of 𝗬𝘁. Also in the center here, you can see a church that was used to create their landing page with the power of 𝗬𝘁. And then over to your right here, you can see also a realtor whose page was designed with 𝗬𝘁. Let's go over a few of our testimonials. You can see Jonathan, who's a realtor, top left-hand corner, says, the thought of trying to create a website, blog, newsletter, content, and all of the things needed to market online was so overwhelming. I can't believe how easy it was to get started with 𝗬𝘁. I now have all of my marketing done for me with fresh new content daily. I'm so happy to say online marketing is no longer intimidating. And Tiffany, a network marketer, bottom left-hand corner, says, I always knew that the key to success in network marketing was to create a duplicatable system so my team can share in my success. The tools I used before 𝗬𝘁 were so difficult to implement in my organization that it made marketing online difficult. I'm so glad that I found 𝗬𝘁 because my team and I are duplicating, and even the beginner is having success. Kimberly M., hairstylist, top right-hand corner, says, online marketing has always been confusing for me. I now have an online presence and I can stay in contact with people interested in my services with the push of a button. I'm so glad I found such a simple marketing platform. And Walter, an insurance agent, bottom right-hand corner, says, this is the easiest marketing platform I have ever used. I've always understood the power of online marketing, but connecting multiple systems and keeping up with the marketing took up a lot of my time. I am so glad I was able to free up my time and get better results using 𝗬𝘁. It's easy to get started with us here at 𝗬𝘁. Let's go over our simple pricing. Over here to the left, you can see our entrepreneur plan. That's just $87 per month. If your business is up and running and ready to grow, this plan will let you access all the key features at an amazingly low price. You'll get 3 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 10,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of $25 per month in advertising credit. In the middle here, you can see our small business package. That's just $167 per month. If your business is rocking and rolling, you need expanded features to support your limitless vision. With this $167 a month package, you'll get 5 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 50,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of $50 per month in advertising credit. Over here to the right, you can see our marketing agency plan. That's just $327 per month. You handle the marketing for lots of businesses. This plan will take your services and your agency to another level. In this plan, you'll get 10 AI marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 100,000 marketing emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, file sharing and analytics, and a free sample of $100 per month in advertising credit. This is our simple pricing. 𝗫𝗏ty is pleased to offer affiliates the most lucrative compensation plan in the industry. Your success will be a direct result of the time and effort you devote to the business. Let's go over the 3 ways that you can earn with us here at 𝗫𝗏ty. The first way that you can earn is with residual income. For this portion of the compensation plan, I want you to pay attention to the top 2 rows here. That top row says subscription volume from levels 1 and 2. That's your personal customers and affiliates, plus your affiliates' personal customers and affiliates. When you obtain the subscription volume from levels 1 and 2 shown in the top row, you will get paid the monthly income shown in the second row here. So if you do a subscription volume between levels 1 and 2 of $2,500, your monthly income would be $1,000. If your subscription volume from levels 1 and 2 is $10,000, for example, that would rank you as Pearl, and your monthly income would be $4,000. We love to say 3 is better than free with us here at 𝗫𝗏ty, because at our entrepreneur plan at just $87 a month, when you get 3 personal customers, you will reach the rank level of bronze, and your subscription volume will be over $250, and your monthly income will be $100. This is the first way that you can earn with us here at 𝗫𝗏ty. The second way is through large team income, because as you increase your rank, you will earn deeper and deeper in levels. Let's use gold as an example. Once you reach the gold rank, you will also be able to earn from levels 3 and 4 shown here. So you will earn 5% of the revenue generated on level 3 and 3% of the revenue generated on level 4. We can also use Pearl as an example here. And if you reach the rank of Pearl, you will also earn 5% of the revenue generated on level 3, 5% of the revenue generated on level 4, 5% of the revenue generated on level 5, 5% of the revenue generated on level 6, and 3% of the revenue generated on level 7. This is the second way that you can earn with us here at 𝗫𝗏ty. The third way that you can earn with us here at 𝗫𝗏ty is through leadership bonuses, because every time you help a personal affiliate of yours rank up, you will achieve a leadership bonus just for doing so. So if you help a personal affiliate go ahead and reach that rank of bronze, you would earn a leadership bonus of $50, for example. We also have immediate payouts at the bronze, silver, and gold level for that monthly income, and also for that leadership bonus. These are the 3 ways that you can earn with us here at 𝗫𝗏ty: through residual income, large team income, and with leadership bonuses. 𝗫𝗏ty is the simplest, most effective, most affordable way to get started marketing online. Our compensation plan rewards affiliates generously for sharing our incredible products with small business owners around the world. Your success will be a direct result of the time and effort you devote to the business. 𝗫𝗏ty, your marketing done.
It's essential to have a few key elements within your business or marketing in order to be successful. One, you need a website to promote your brand, company, or service. Done. Two, since most people don't buy on the first go-around, you need a way to retarget and remind them of what you offer. You need an email autoresponder for that. Done. Three, what good is a fancy website and nice autoresponder campaign if no one knows about your business or service? This is where advertising comes in. Done. Using our proprietary system, you can instantly advertise on over 1 million popular app networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Forbes, and CNN.com, just to name a few, at no extra cost. Four, now that you're acquiring leads and customers, you need a place to store and keep them organized. Most companies use a customer relationship management system for this, also known as a CRM. Done. Five, now that you have the main components in place to be successful marketing your business, you need a few more strategies to increase maximum potential results. And lead magnets are the way to go to help customers take action. Done. Six, stay relevant by keeping your prospects and customers informed through a blog. Done. 7. You want to take advantage of social media. And one way to do so is by posting engaging articles and content relevant to your niche or offer. Done. Now, what if all these services were done for you? What if there was a way for all of this to be created for you instantly, like magic? Well, now you can. Introducing 𝗏𝘁 Artificial Intelligence, the first all-in-one marketing platform of its kind. Always learning, always improving, always getting better. No design skills required, nothing techy to learn. Our system does the heavy lifting. Now, when you join 𝗏𝘁, your marketing is done.